Hi, let's create an actual real-time test. Right-click at test folders, select new file, and enter a test name. I'm gonna call it Eurotravel.spec.js. Now, let's utilize Playwright Code Generator. Code Gen. And click Enter. A blank browser will be raised. First step, maximize the window and enter a website under test link. Quick notice about ethical testing. Unless you are using some kind of dummy websites specifically for automation testing practice, please stay ethical. Right now, I'm going to emulate an average browsing user actions only. Let's start. When we go to any locator, a Playwright is offering us solutions. So first of all, let's click a checkbox. Then from drop-down, I'll select business. Then I'm going to enter the departure location and select a automatic choice. Going to enter a an arrival destination. I'll select London, England. I'm going to go to the date picker. From drop down, I'll select 5 nights. I'm going to click only on next button. All major web elements are present. Next. OK. At this point, I need to take a look at the Playwright Inspector. I maximize the Playwright Inspector, as you can see here, Playwright Inspector window. Let's take a quick look. Right now, it's in record mode. We can put it on pause. Test runner, you can check here. Also with options. Pick locator, assert visibility, or assert text if necessary, assert value, resume, or copy. If you can see, it created us a perfect test code. At this point, I'm going to copy it. I'll click copy and I'm returning to Visual Code window. Here, I'm going to paste the generated code. If you can see, the file is not saved. Black circle here. I'm going to go to File, Save. Black circle is gone. OK. Now I'll return back and stop the test. Right now, I'm going to cancel this window. This is it. I'll clear the terminal. Let's inspect the code. This is our checkbox, I can see it. Select option C, which was business class. City or airport, click. First action was click. Second action was fill here. Then next selection, click, arrival, fill. Okay. Looks all good. Data picker here. Link. All good. Now, let's talk about Playwright configuration file. Configure projects for major browsers. I'd like to execute it right now only on desktop Chrome. So I'll comment Microsoft Edge and Firefox. And Firefox. And I'll save the file. Save. Now, we don't need it. Let me minimize the text size. And let's execute auto-recorded test. npx playwright test, then a test name, eurotravel.spec.js, headed. Okay, npx playwright test. File name is correct, headed. Let's do it. Enter. Running. One worker, only Chrome is running. As you can see, very good. Copy to show report command. One test. All our actions here. One passed, 0 failed. Ctrl C. Yes. Clear. Actually, I don't want to clear because I want to copy a command. Okay, now, as you can see how easily a Playwright inspector located all the complicated web elements, especially from automated drop-down, which are based on API calls. Playwright configuration file now. I will do this one. File save. Now I'm gonna execute the same command. This is the one. Now clear. Let's see. It should be Chrome and Edge. Both of them are running in parallel. Very good. Please notice, running two tests using two workers. Workers are browsers. Two passed. Let's check the report. copy, paste, enter. As you can see, two tests on Chromium and on Microsoft Edge. Test on Chromium. Microsoft Edge. All the locators are perfectly fine. Ctrl C, say yes to cancel the bad job. Now, let's try to file, save. Now I'd like to copy paste. Clear. And let's try to execute it. Let's start it again. Firefox browser is last one. Let's see the verdict. Okay, 3 passed. Slow test file Firefox. Okay, it's good enough. Let's see the report. All 3 passed. Good. As we can see, three browser workers were used. Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. Let's click at Firefox. All good. Test in Edge. All good. And Chrome. All good. Perfectly fine. Ctrl C. Yes. And clear. Okay. So to sum up, what did we learn today? We learned how to create an actual test, playwright test for actual active travel site using Playwright Code Generator. How to modify Playwright configuration file if it's required. Okay, I set a timeout here. Fully parallel, I set false. I can set true. And timeout is set like that. This is a global timeout. File save. As you can see, Playwright is easily handling any type of web elements locators. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.